Still seeing that sweat stain on your collar or pits after putting your clothes through the wash? Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean sweat stains from your clothes easily with just a few household items. Start with a small cup. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Lastly, add 1/2 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Now mix thoroughly with a toothbrush until you get a liquidy paste. Apply the paste directly onto the sweat stain and gently scrub with your toothbrush. After giving it a good scrub, let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water or tossing in with the laundry. After washing and drying, you'll see the sweat stains are all gone. This solution works well with sweat stains on your shirt collars, cuffs, and the armpit area. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.